Intrigued by the secrets of success? Today, I'm peeling back the curtain on one of my personal game changers. Let's delve into my whiteboard utopia, an entire wall that orchestrates my daily hustle. Here, each marker stroke, each X, is a step towards mastery. Hang tight, because by the end, you'll be armed with insights to turbocharge your own productivity and success. And who knows, stick around, and these revelations might just ignite a transformation in your routine. Allow me to introduce you to my day's command center, a sprawling calendar whiteboard. This isn't your ordinary date tracker, it's an accountability powerhouse. My 5 pillars of daily discipline are etched on it. They are a commitment to no fap, tackling the crucial tasks on my to-do list, investing time in continuous learning, a workout regimen adaptable to my schedule, and the tranquil practice of meditation. My mantra here is infallible. Maintain the streak, never falter 2 days in a row. This dual rule system is my failsafe, ensuring that an off day never spirals into a slump. Transitioning to my to-do board, it's a monument to the less is more philosophy. Clutter doesn't exist here. Only the absolute essentials make the cut. 2 or 3 critical tasks that I will conquer come sunrise. Too many underestimate the power of such simplicity, but I assure you, it's a force to be reckoned with. Weekly goals are given their stage on a separate board. Similar to daily tasks, but these encompass broader targets that demand completion by week's end. A laser focus on 3 to 4 key objectives keeps me proactive without spreading my energies too thin. And then there's the eventually board, my playbook for the distant future. Tasks without immediate deadlines dwell here, reminding me they exist without pressuring my day-to-day. It's about balance, managing the now while never losing sight of tomorrow. Now, feast your eyes on the big project board. This is where grand designs take shape. The habit-building course I've promised is taking form here, a brainchild soon to emerge into reality. Stay tuned, great things are brewing behind this board. Idea boards are my think tanks, where fleeting inspirations are captured before they vanish. That spark during a book or a seminar. It's swiftly immortalized with a marker. This is the birthplace of content you've seen evolve from a scribble to a compelling script you can't get enough of. Budding business deals? They claim their territory on the deal board. It's a scoreboard of impending victories, a visual pep talk that a handshake, a signature, is just a step away. Now, allow me to unveil the big board, a motivational mural with milestones and aspirations laid bare. A YouTube subscriber goal that embodies my relentless ambition. Parties and breaks used to be at stake, but now, the satisfaction of crushed goals fuels my drive. From 500,000 to a multi-million strong community, ambition knows no ceiling here. Let's talk about the videos I've promised you. Accountability isn't taken lightly. Commitments linger here until fulfilled. Eye contact training? Delivered, just as promised. This backlog will dissipate. Patience paired with perseverance will see to that. Video topic suggestions and complex idea threads weave their way across the board, reflection of our shared journey of growth and development. This, too, is part of our dialogue. Your questions transform into the content that bridges your ambitions to accomplishments. Concluding our tour, remember this setup isn't merely for show, it's a daily confrontation with my ambitions, a relentless reminder of what's at stake. Try a slice of this systematic magic in your life. Who knows, it might just be the catalyst you've been searching for. Now, you've just had an insider's view of a system that keeps me sharp. But before you go rushing to deck your walls with whiteboards, let me ask you, what steps will you take from this video to elevate your life? Will you craft a vision board, schedule your habits, or start a big project? Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and smash that notification bell. Aligning with this community could open doors you never imagined. Achieving greatness is a marathon, not a sprint, and every bit of wisdom shared today is a stride towards that ever-distant, ever-inviting finish line. If the value you've gleaned resonates, feel free to leave a tip that mirrors your gained insights. The link awaits you in the description. And remember, Friends, the ink on your whiteboard is more than just a schedule. It's a daily reaffirmation of your commitment to rise above the ordinary. Let's write our success stories together, one day at a time. Gentlemen, imagine having a code that deciphers human personality with razor-sharp precision. Now, what if I told you that millions are using such a key, including the titans of industry? Welcome to the saga of the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, or MBTI for short, the revered compass navigating the vast ocean of human characteristics. This tool has ingrained itself in the Behavior Analysis Hall of Fame. Dive into the annals of time and unearth the genesis of MBTI, a tale not of seasoned psychologists, but a mother-daughter duo, Catherine Briggs and Isabel Briggs Myers. Inspired by the monumental theories of Carl Jung, they embarked on a self-taught foray into the world of personality assessment. Jung posited that we process life through distinct psychological functions, now known in layman's terms as extroversion versus introversion, sensing versus intuition, thinking versus feeling, and judging versus perceiving. At the height of World War II, with a groundswell of women entering the workforce, Briggs and her daughter envisaged a future where understanding oneself would be the linchpin in job alignment. They crafted a tool to unearth where one lands on these dichotomies. Take the ENTJ type, for instance. Extroverted, intuitive, thinking, judging a persona blends suggestive of innate talents and vocational aptitudes. 16 distinct types emerged, each weaving the fabric of professional and personal synergy. Revisions and refinements followed the inaugural 1944 handbook, culminating in exhaustive question banks that, under the eye of certified interpreters, reveal the intricate plot of one's psychological makeup. Yet the question lingers like an enigmatic shadow. What does it mean to be labeled an ENTJ or any other type? Here, we retrace the steps back to Carl Jung and the interpretive dance performed by Briggs to get a clearer view through these psychological lenses. Let's demystify the energy sources of extroverts and introverts, starting with the ever-popular dichotomy. Extroverts aren't everlasting party seekers, nor are introverts the hermits of lore. It's all about whether external buzz or inner musings fuel their mojo. Next, how do you decode the world? Plant your feet with the fact finders and sensing, or swim in the currents of possibilities with intuition. Your gut reaction steers this ship. Decision-making, too, is a forked road. Do you consult the cerebral spreadsheet or let the heartstrings pull? That's thinking versus feeling for you. And when life demands a blueprint, will you meticulously chart your course, or let spontaneity take the helm? Here we witness judgment versus perception in full play. While Jung's foundational contributions are undisputed, skeptics often raise eyebrows at the scientific rigor of these personality categorizations. Nevertheless, Jung's and Briggs' frameworks remain tools of tremendous insight into human interaction and workplace dynamics. Current research illuminates intricate dances between differing personality types and advocates a harmonious balance in team compositions. Intrigued? Want to wield this knowledge and apply it to elevate your career, personal growth, and relationships? Envision the edge you gain in understanding others and, critically, yourself. But it's not just about knowledge, it's about action. After you've soaked in this rich history and possibly discovered your own type, ask yourself, how will you use this revelation to shape your path forward? And hey, if you enjoyed the journey and found it valuable, remember, the best investment is in understanding, and that understanding starts with you. Should you choose, you can acknowledge the value of this voyage with a gesture of appreciation, a tip that reflects the bounty of knowledge you've harvested. Before we cap off this expedition, I invite you to bolster our ranks. Subscribe, hit the like, ring the notification bell, and enter the legion of learned men who leverage such wisdom daily. The more you know, the more formidable you become, so choose to be exceptional, choose to be well-informed. Now, gentlemen, on to the challenge. What will you do with this insight? How will you mold your type to forge ahead in the realms of digital marketing, personal finance, investments, and the marketplace of life? Will you embrace the bulldog mindset, delve into the divine masculine, or engage in the wisdom of modern life dating? The answers lie within. Stay sharp, stay curious, and remember the road to personal mastery is an ongoing battle of the mind. Until next time, keep questing for knowledge. Your path to the strongest male hero ever lies ahead.